What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do frontside and backside ollies in transition. Check it out. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably. Ollie, pump, drop in, carve frontside, carve backside, frontside kick turn, backside kick turn, and knee slide. First, we're gonna start with how to ollie off of a bank ramp. Here are the simple steps for this trick. Here's the foot setup position for your ollie. From riding position, ride towards the ramp that you want to ollie off of with enough speed to ollie onto the top of the ramp. Now set your feet in ollie position in the flat bottom, bend down and set your balance just before you ride up the ramp. Stay tucked down with power in your legs so that you are ready to pop as you ride up the ramp. Now time your ollie so you pop just as your front wheels are about to go over the edge of the top of the ramp. Pop into your ollie hard and begin to leap forward closer to your front foot as you come off of the ramp. Pull your knees up high underneath your body as you center your head in between your feet. Look down close to your front foot so that you can see your feet and the landing ground. Hold your knees up until you feel yourself start to come down. Extend your legs down to keep the board to your feet and begin to bend your knees as your wheels touch down. Bend down further to absorb the impact and stabilize your landing. Here's how to bail. Always go with momentum and commit to your pop. If you miss your pop, stay forward, spin your chest forward, and run it out. If you pop and don't like it or need to kick out, use your front foot to kick your skateboard back and behind your body to avoid landing back on it. Here are the simple steps for frontside ollies on quarter pipes. Here's the foot setup position for your frontside ollie. So take a picture or screenshot so you can see this when you get to the park. Start small and stay low on a wide quarter pipe with slow to medium speed and work your way up as you get better. I recommend learning on a 4-foot quarter pipe. Visualize your rainbow carve with the top cut off and start as low on the transition as you need to complete your ollie over the missing section and land into your downline into a pump out. Roll towards the quarter pipe with medium speed so that your entry line rides into your rainbow carve. Set your feet into ollie position and bend down just before you ride up the quarter pipe. As you ride up the quarter pipe, be sure to stay bent down and make your pump up timing flow into your pop so that they combine into one smooth motion. Pop up and across, keeping your rainbow shape so your body is on top of your skateboard. As you pop, begin to pull your knees up and into your chest so you can keep your board to your feet. Stay tucked through the highest point of your rainbow arch in the air. Just as you begin to come down, start to lean into your lead shoulder to help change direction of your skateboard. Look down and watch the coping by your feet and slowly extend your legs down to maintain your board control. Stay leaned into your lead shoulder as you touch your wheels down and land with your knees bent so you can pump out. Here are the simple steps for doing backside ollies on a quarter pipe. Here's the foot setup position for your backside ollies. I recommend learning these on a 4-foot quarter pipe. Again, start small, stay low on a wide quarter pipe with slow to medium speed and work your rainbow up higher as you get better. I want you to visualize your rainbow carve wider than you did with frontside ollies. With the top cut off of your rainbow, start as low on the transition as you need to complete your ollie over the missing section and land on your downline into your pump out. Roll towards the quarter pipe with medium speed so that your entry line rides into your rainbow carve. Keep your front foot in riding position so your heel and toes are equally hanging off of the skateboard. Now set your back foot into your ollie position so that your heel is up and you're on the ball of your foot. As you ride up the quarter pipe, stay bent down. And again, the most important part, make your pump up timing flow into your pop so they become combined into one smooth motion. Pop in and across, keeping your wide rainbow shape. Lean your head in towards the bottom of the ramp so that you can look down at your front foot or in between your legs to see your foot position. Just as you pop, begin to pull your knees up and into your chest so that you can keep your skateboard to your feet firmly. Stay leaned in and tucked through the highest point of your rainbow arch in the air. Just as you begin to come down, start to lean into your lead shoulder to change direction of your skateboard. Look down and watch the coping next to your front foot or through your legs, and slowly extend your legs down to maintain board control. Lean into your lead shoulder as you touch your wheels down and land with your knees bent so you can pump out. Remember to land into your pump so you have a nice smooth transition as you ride away. I hope you guys learned this and got a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support me. Click that like and subscribe button to encourage me to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skatepark lessons.